Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to start building my forever home for my tank. Now this is 6 foot by 2.5 foot by 2 foot. A lot of people would say that's way too much, too big, wasted space, but I beg to differ. As long as you put a lot of stuff in there and make your snake feel safe, plants and stuff like that, it should be great. Now, this used to be an old fish tank and it caught a leak. I was gonna fix it, but since I got my snake, I decided I would turn it into his mansion. Now, I hope you guys enjoy this journey with me. I have big plans. I'm gonna give you a few insights on it. Now, a lot of people are like, plywood does not hold humidity that well and stuff like that, which I know, but this is lined in pond armor, which does hold humidity. It is animal safe and it is waterproofing. So I'm hoping that's my little secret that makes this thing turn out great. Now I wiped down the glass a little bit on the outside. I still got to get on the inside. It's quite scuffed up. But we're going to take it step by step, and I hope you guys enjoy what the end product is. Now real quick, this is just gutter, plastic gutter. I'm going to use it to make like a water trench river in between the middle, and then have substrate on both sides. I'm hoping to have this filled with plants. I got a big log that I'm going to incorporate in here, but I just cut that down. I got that at an 8-foot piece or 10-foot piece for only like $6. Alright everybody, so today we are gonna be hopefully doing the background, holding things in with expanding foam. So I got my tank turned over and I got enough space that I'm gonna be able to crawl in there and place different items, and then we are gonna coat it with expanding foam. Now you can get this stuff pretty much anywhere. I will of course be putting links in the description, but it's pretty straightforward. You have your surface, you lay out all of your pieces, and then you coat it in this foam, and it sticks and forms to the wall, and it will become like a 3D background. Now, I'll have to let it dry like 2 days before I can start carving and finish the steps. But for now, I'm gonna get my little pieces of wood and whatnot placed on the back and get it sprayed down. Alright everybody, so I got all my little pieces in there. I wanted to do more, but I'm hoping to landscape some of the foam too, so hopefully it will all come together. But now I just gotta fill it with foam on that back side. Alright everybody, so I have applied foam to that. It has been dried for way longer than 72 hours at this point. There's no rush in me doing this project because my snake is okay in that 55 gallon for quite some time. So I'm purposely taking my time with it. But at any rate, I wanted to show you the aftermath of this stuff. You can see up there in that corner holding that stick, which I'm quite proud of. This looks like a whole mess, and a lot of the smaller pieces of wood you can't see, but that's the whole point of carving it back. And I still have some spots. I went out and I collected more bark pieces, so I'm actually going to add more to it, but I'm going to carve all this stuff down for starts before I do it. Alright everybody, so I did in fact add more pieces like this, these, some bigger cross pieces in the middle and on further down in the tank itself. Sorry, that's not the best. So I added more, I carved that down, and then I just redone the foam. As you can see, the big pieces everywhere. So I'm going to carve this down one last time, and then I am waiting on my silicone to come so that I can coat the foam and in between spaces, and then add mulch or coconut chip or whatever you want to use in that instant. Thanks for watching, everybody. Part 2 coming soon.